안녕하세요. Welcome to Gyeong-sun's Korean class. Today we will have our first ever listening and reading practice. 듣기 and 읽기 연습. Okay? So let's listen.
안녕하세요. 저는 민수예요. 오늘 저는 학교에 갔어요. 학교에는 친구가 있어요. 친구와 같이 점심을 먹었어요. 저는 김밥을 먹었어요. 친구는 라면을 먹었어요. 점심 후에 우리는 교실에서 공부했어요. 저는 숙제를 했지만 친구는 못했어요. 오늘 하루가 즐거웠어요.
Okay, so how was it? Was it easy or was it difficult? Okay, now let's listen again along with the English translation under. Okay?
안녕하세요. 저는 민수예요. 오늘 저는 학교에 갔어요. 학교에는 친구가 있어요. 친구와 같이 점심을 먹었어요. 저는 김밥을 먹었어요. 친구는 라면을 먹었어요. 점심 후에 우리는 교실에서 공부했어요. 저는 숙제를 했지만 친구는 못했어요. 오늘 하루가 즐거웠어요.
I strongly believe that you can easily understand the whole context by now. Okay? Let's move on to the comprehension questions. Okay? So let's do a quick overview of this text again before we answer these 5 questions. Okay? Alright. 안녕하세요. 저는 민수예요. Okay? This is just saying I'm 민수. 오늘 저는 학교에 갔어요. Okay? I went to school. 학교에는 친구가 있어요. Okay? They are friends, okay? 친구가 있어요. Okay, this is what we have learned so far. 친구와 같이 점심을 먹었어요. Okay, I had a lunch with my friend. Okay, here 점심을. Okay, remember we have the particle, and here 먹었어요. Okay, this is the past tense form. Okay, and then 저는 김밥을 먹었어요. So I had 김밥, okay? And 친구는 라면을 먹었어요. So my friend had 라면. 점심 후에 우리는 교실에서 공부했어요. Okay? So after lunch, we studied in the classroom. 저는 숙제를 했지만 친구는 못했어요. So I did my homework, but my friend did not. Okay? 오늘 하루가 즐거웠어요. Okay? 오늘, today, 하루 is one day, like this whole day. Okay? Today. So this whole day was fun. 즐거웠어요. Okay? 즐거웠어요. Okay, let's go through the question here. Number 1. 오늘 민수는 어디에 갔어요? This means, where did 민수 go today? So, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is B, 학교. Why? Because here. 학교에 갔어요. Okay, went to school. And number 2. 점심으로 민수는 무엇을 먹었어요? So, what did 민수 have for lunch? Okay, so what is the answer? The answer is kind of obvious because 저는 김밥을 먹었어요. Okay? So 민수 had kimbap. So the answer is kimbap. Okay? And number 3. 친구는 숙제를 했어요. 아니면 못했어요? So did Minsu's friend manage to finish his homework or not? Okay? And actually this is also very obvious because it's over here. 친구는 못했어요. 저는 숙제를 했지만, okay? This I is actually said by 민수, okay? So the friend 친구 못했어요. So the answer is 못했어요. Okay? And number 4. 점심 후에 어디에서 공부했어요? So where did they study after lunch? So the answer is 교실, right? You can see 교실, classroom. So the answer is A. And number 5. 오늘 하루는 어땠어요? How was the day, right? And yeah, it's very simple. 즐거웠어요. It was fun. Okay? 힘들었어요 means it was tough. Okay? And 보통이에요 means it was like normal, common. Okay? It's just a normal day. Okay, so by now you have finished our first 듣기, 읽기 연습. 감사합니다.